Questions 1 through 10 on the 2017 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. The value of 2 plus 4 plus 6 minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is, well, let's do the brackets first. This one is 12, and this one over here is 9, and 12 minus 9 is 3. So number 1, the answer is B. Based on the graph shown, which sport is played by the most students? Well, here's the graph, here's the list of the sports, and here are the number of students. So looking at the graph, the most students played soccer, since soccer is the highest bar, as you can clearly see. It's approximately 50 students. So number 2, the answer is C. Michael has $280 in $20 bills. How many $20 bills does he have? So 280 divided by 20, and that gives me 14. So number 3, the answer is C. When two integers between 1 and 10 are multiplied, the result is 14. What is the sum of these two integers? All right, well, 14 is basically 2 times 7. That's the only way to break it up into two numbers that are both between 1 and 10. So our numbers are 2 and 7. And they want you to add those two numbers now. Okay, well, 2 plus 7, that is 9. So number 4, the answer is D. 3 thousandths is equal to, well, this is 300, this is 3 tenths, this is 3 100ths, this is 30, this is 3 thousandths. So the answer is C. E for number 5. In the square shown, x is equal to, well, x is an angle from there to there, and this is a square, so because it's a square, this angle will be 90. So since we've cut that angle in half, you're basically going to take that 90-degree right angle and divide by 2 to get x. And therefore x is 45. So number 6, the answer is B. Which integer is closest in value to 35 over 4? 35 over 4, you can do that in your head or in the calculator, is 8.75. And the integer closest to that is 9. So number 7, the answer is C. If n is 101, which of the following has an even value? Let's figure out all of these. This would be 303. This would be 103. This would be 89. 2n minus 2 will be 200. And 3n plus 2 would be 305. So which of those is even? It's this one. And 2n minus 2, no matter what n is, it will be even because it factors. You factor out a 2 and you get n minus 1. So no matter what the value of n is, because 2 is a factor, that number will always be even. So number 8, the answer is D. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 153. The largest of these 3 integers is. So we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 153. So that means 3x plus 3 is equal to 153. So 3x is 150, and therefore x is equal to 50. Now the largest, therefore, if this is x, this is 51, this is 52. The largest of those 3 is obviously 52. So number 9, the answer is A. In the diagram, triangle PQR is equilateral and is made up of 4 smaller equilateral triangles. If each of the smaller triangles has a perimeter of 9, what is the perimeter of PQR? Okay, well, this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. And they all have pretty much the same dimensions, right? 3, 3, 3 all around. You get the point. So the diameter of that big guy, well, obviously, the perimeter of the big triangle would be 3 plus 3 times 3, right? Because each of these sides has a length of 6. So it would be 6 plus 6 plus 6 for the perimeter of triangle PQR. And therefore that is 18. So number 10, the answer is E.